Hi everyone, welcome to the Tech of Sri Lanka YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to prepare a bootable pen drive using Windows 11 ISO downloaded from the official Microsoft website. Step 1. Download Windows 11 ISO. First, open your web browser and go to the Google. Type Windows 11 download and open the first link. Scroll down until you see the Create Windows 11 installation media. Click Download button to get the media creation tool. Once downloaded, open the file and accept the applicable notice and license terms. Step 2. Configure the ISO download. You will see the options to select the language and edition. Uncheck the recommended option for this PC. Then select the preferred language and edition. I am going with default option and then click next. Choose which media to use. In this case, select the ISO file. Choose the download location and click save. The tool will now start downloading the ISO file. This may take some time depending on your internet speed. Once the download is completed, the tool will give you the option to burn ISO file to a DVD. And in the below you can see the download path as well. Step 3. Prepare the bootable pen drive. To create the pen drive, you will need a pen drive with at least 8 GB of storage. Go to rufus.ie. Download the portable version. I'll show you the steps in the video. Plug your pen drive into a USB port and open Rufus Portable exe. In Rufus, go to Boot selection and click Select. Open the Windows 11 ISO you downloaded. Change the partition scheme from GPT to MBR. Click Start. A dialog box will appear to confirm the Windows user experience settings. I am going to with default options. Rufus will warn you all the data on the pen drive will be erased. If you have important data, make sure to back up before continuing. The process will be taken few minutes depending on your pen drive speed. That's it. Bootable Windows 11 pen drive is ready. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.